Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x plus y where x square minus y square is equal to 24 and x is equal to 35. Let it as called equation number 1 and it is called equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 we can write here x square minus y square is equal to 24, or we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we can write here x plus y times x minus y is equal to 24. Or now taking a square to both sides, we can write here x plus y times x minus y whole square is equal to 24 square. Or we can write here x plus y square times x minus y square is equal to 24 square. Now we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So apply this rule here. We can write x square plus twice xy plus y square times x square minus twice xy plus y square is equal to 24 square. Or we can write here x square plus 2 times 35 plus y square times x square minus 2 times 35 plus y square is equal to 24 square, because xy is equal to 35 from equation number 2. Or rearranging it, we can write here x square plus y square plus 2 times 35, that means 70 times x square plus y square minus 17 is equal to 24 square. And now as you can see, let b take x square plus y square is equal to a and 70 is equal to b. So we can remaining a plus b and a minus b. So we can write here x square plus y square whole square minus 70 square is equal to 24 square, because a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Or x square plus y square whole square is equal to, taking this 70 square to right side, we can get 24 square plus 70 square is equal to 24 square, that means 576 plus 70 square, that means 4900 is equal to 5476. Or now taking a square root to both sides, we can write here x square plus y square whole square root is equal to square root of 5476. Or this square cancel out this square root, so it will be remaining x square plus y square is equal to, here we can get plus or minus 74. So finally x square plus y square is equal to plus or minus 74. Now we know x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus twice xy plus y square. Or x plus y whole square is equal to, rearranging it, we can write here x square plus y square plus twice xy is equal to, here x square plus y square is equal to plus or minus 74. So we can write here plus or minus 74 plus 2 times xy, that means 35, from equation number 2 is equal to plus or minus 74 plus 70. Attention, here there are two solutions, so we can write here x plus y whole square is equal to plus or minus 74 plus 70. So there are two solutions, so we can write here x plus y whole square is equal to plus 74 plus 70, and x plus y whole square is equal to minus 74 plus 70. Or taking square root to both sides, we can write here square root of x plus y whole square is equal to square root of 74 plus 70, that means 144. Or this square cancel this square root, so it will be remaining x plus y is equal to plus or minus 12. So finally the value of x plus y is equal to plus or minus 12, and here taking square to both sides, we can write here x square root of x plus y whole square is equal to minus 4 square root. Or we can write here x plus y, because this square cancel this square root, is equal to, and here we can write 4 times minus 1 is equal to 4 times I square is equal to plus or minus 2i. So finally the value of x plus y is equal to plus or minus 2i. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.